Lotion candles are another type of candles that you can use on your skin like a body lotion or massage oil. Their composition is very similar to the one of a standard candle, but for two things. We're gonna add another ingredient, which is the shea butter, and we're gonna reduce the ratio of the fragrance oil to 2% for skin safety. Let me show you how to make 2 lotion candles using the double boiler system. First, I'm gonna turn this on to medium heat and then add a cup of water in the first pot. And I'm gonna leave that on for a few minutes until the water is steaming. In the meantime, I'm gonna set up my vessel using the wicks with the sticky glue dots on the metal piece. Center it and press with my fingers and repeat the operation. With this one as well, so the tins are ready here. And then what I'll do next is measure the fragrances oil. So as mentioned, that is going to be a 2% ratio here, and that's for skin safety, so you really have to be careful with that, because obviously when you add something on your skin, it can be irritation if you have too much of fragrances oil in there. So we're using a 2% ratio, which here equal to about 0.25 ounces of fragrances oil. So I'm just gonna add right here what I need, and we are ready here. So it's gonna take a few minutes for this to steam, but we'll get back to it. So when the water of your first pot starts to steam, it's time to add the second one on top of it. You want to secure it and make sure it doesn't move. And then you can add your ingredients. So let's start with the wax and slowly placing this in the first pot right here. There you go. Starting to melt. So this is great. And then we're gonna add the shea butter next. There we go. And we want these two melt together. So it's gonna take a few minutes, and we will move on to the next step when everything is melted. So when your wax is fully melted, you want to turn off your hot plate, take out your melted wax with the shea butter in it, and then you want to double check the temperature of your mix and make sure you are below the 175 degrees, not to burn the fragrances. Next, we're gonna add our fragrances oil into our blend. And we are going to stir for 2 minutes. Okay, so when your timer is off, you want to go ahead and pour directly into your vessel, just like this. You want to fill it up all the way, but leave space, so just stop yourself at the rim. Then you want to finish with the craft sticks. Just center it, make sure that your wick is really at the center of your tin. And now you let them sit for 24 hours. Then, 24 hours later, you want to finish your lotion candle by trimming the wick. First, you want to remove slowly the craft stick. Then you want to grab a pair of scissors and aim for about 4 mm. Cut them both. Next, you want to grab the lids, close them. It's always important to close the lid on your candles because you keep the fragrance stronger. I'm gonna now add my 2 top labels. And then I will also do the bottom ones. And here you have your 2 lotion candles. So if you wanna let them cure for 2 weeks is the best because it's going to grow the scent through, and then you can use them and apply them on your skin.